Good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, April 8th. What's going on? Well, forexfactory.com news calendar has a couple of U.S. items. So 10:30, we have crude oil inventories. 1 p.m., we have FOMC member daily speaking. At 1:01 p.m., we have the 10-year bond auction. Then we have a red item, the FOMC meeting minutes coming out at 2 p.m. So that is a look forward to, the only red item on the calendar for today. Just a quick note, we've had unprecedented geopolitical events going on, and I want to just make a very brief comment. I try really hard not to get political because it doesn't really matter what you think, what your bias is. It depends on the flow of the market. And if you are against the flow of the market, you're going to lose money. So it doesn't matter what you think. Just try to push all those things out of your mind and focus on the flow of the market by itself. So just a quick preach to myself comment there. Moving on, looking at the daily chart, big gap up. As you can see, the ceasefire or supposed ceasefire is creating a lot of optimism in the market. Whether you agree with that or not does not matter. The flow is up. Where could we go? I think we probably maxed out. You've probably seen the high. That low volume note at 68.52 is pretty strong. If we could get above that, we might go up to 68.76, but I would say that's about the top end. And the reason why I say that is you look at the size of the bar, look at some of the maximum bars we've had. You can't go too much, or it will not go that much farther. Of course, never say never. Yeah, obviously. That being said, we are now above the moving averages. Everything's great, right? Above the moving average, above some of the trend lines. I would say short term, we are in an uptrend. Medium term, we're in a downtrend. And long term, we are still in an uptrend. And we broke up above and out of the bull flag. Looking at the inventory was positive on barely, but positive price action. So there you have it. Correlated, nothing to talk about there. Looking at the overnight action, woo, 195 points overnight action. Unprecedented. Yeah, unprecedented volatility. It's crazy. We'll see if it can hold. Where do we have support and resistance? So we go to the top side. Where is resistance? I would say 68.50, 68.60, 68.65, 68.71, 68.80. I'm not going to go any higher than that. Support. Where do we have some good support? 6,800, 67.70, 67.42, 67.21, 67.03, which would also encompass 6,700 and 66.90. So there you have support and resistance. Stock Traders Almanac for today, 47.6% chance the market will be up, which is a negative bias for today from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great day. Remember to subscribe and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.